Annie, what are the headline takeaways from these results?
This was a really difficult quarter for Robinhood, and it was always going to be a stark comparison between this first quarter and last first quarter when we saw the huge run-up in GameStop and other meme stocks. But it was worse than analysts anticipated. We saw losses across all kinds of product categories, transaction revenues sliding, and revenue and earnings both missing Wall Street's estimates.
So let's talk about how they're trying to grow their crypto play and influence in the crypto market as the company, faces some, big challenges up ahead. I mean, they're going through some pretty big job cuts and the stock way down.
That's right. The stock has really plummeted since the IPO. The central struggle that Robinhood is dealing with right now is this question of whether it can actually get users involved in more than trading on its platform. And in the meantime, it's trying to keep up with investors and go where they're going. So on the crypto side, for instance, it's introduced some new tokens, including the long anticipated Shiba Inu coin. And that was a recent development. So Robinhood is introducing some new products to trade, and at the same time trying to grow the types of products that it offers to investors in areas like retirement accounts. It added crypto wallets, so it's offering all these new products as well.
So what are you looking for here next? How do you expect Robinhood to navigate these challenges? Wall Street darling, often very controversial, but now a year into being a public company, a lot of big kind of existential issues.
It is an existential issue, and I think that's something investors will be watching closely, whether Robinhood can deliver on this message that it has, that it can expand with its users, grow with its users, and touch more parts of their financial lives. So far, transaction revenues are still the core driver of revenues at this company, and it remains to be seen whether customers will go to Robinhood for other types of products as well. They certainly are going to trade, but the issue that Robinhood's facing is that trading activity is coming way down from where it was during the pandemic.
Right. How much do you think that has to do with the macro environment? I mean, inflation, rising gas prices, not a lot of money to be spending right now on discretionary items like new equities and crypto.
That's a great point. That was something that the management addressed in both the earnings call and a call with reporters. They said, listen, Robinhood has been a company that's mostly operated in an environment for much of its history where inflation has been low, interest rates have been low, and now we're starting to see inflation come way back and the Federal Reserve trying to curb that. So the issue for Robinhood is, can it weather that storm if people do lose interest in putting their discretionary income towards trading?